Alright, so when we're laying out our Pacific tile, we'll do the following steps. First, we're going to go ahead and do our drip edge along the eave. You can see I do it painted here. You can also choose to do our stone-coated drip edge as well. So once we get our drip edge on, we'll go ahead and bring our code-approved underlayment over the top, just like so. Then we'll come back with our rake drip edge. Fasten that minimum 16 inches on center. Make sure you check your local codes. Then we'll come back with our rake batten. We can use our 2x2 EBS, or I can use a 1x2 and a 2x2. And you can kind of go ahead and play with this where you want. We're going to show 2 inches in from the edge. Then we'll fasten that every puck. And then with our Pacific tile, it's a 14.5 inch exposure, so we want a 1/2 inch overhang from our drip edge. So we're going to do approximately 14 inches here, chalk our line, and that will get us our 1/2 inch overhang, and it will also give us a nice straight line to start with. Then we're going to follow it with our gutter riser. So we're going to put our gutter riser down here, just flush with our drip edge. And fasten that every 16 inches. And now we're ready to go ahead and start our fill panels.